This is my math activity, and in my math activity I have made a linear equation game as my math activity. In this game, two friends, Rahul and Rohan, are playing against each other. The student is required to pick a number by turning the fortune wheel. The score obtained by the student is calculated by the linear equation y equal to 2x plus 1, where x is the number obtained from the spinning wheel. There are 3 rounds of the game. Now we turn the wheel for the first time. And we got x as 1, so y becomes 3 and Rahul got 3 points. Now we turn the wheel for the second time and we got x equal to 9, so y becomes 19 and Rohan got 19 points. Again we turn the wheel and this time we get x equal to 8 and y becomes 17 and Rahul got 17 points. Now we repeat it for 3 more rounds and this seems to be score line. Now we seem to be calculate the final scores. And the final scores came to be 31 as Rahul and 33 to be Rohan. So it can be observed clearly that Rohan becomes the winner. That's it. Thank you one and all.
Solving these two equations, we obtain these solutions of equation 1 and equation 2. These solutions are for equation 1 and these solutions are for equation 2. Now, what is our next step? Our next step is to plot these points on the graph. After plotting, we obtain these 2 points for equation 1 and these 2 points for equation 2 as it is shown here. Now, our next step is to join these points to form a line for these 2 equations. Points, we obtain these 2 lines. This line for equation 2 and this line for equation 1. Now it is clearly obtained that this point is the intersection point of these 2 equations. Now how to obtain the coordinates? We have to join these 2 points. After joining these 2 points, we obtain this line which shows the intersection point of these 2 equations and the coordinate, that is 6, 0. So hence we obtain the intersection point of equation 1 and equation 2, that is 6, 0. This is how we obtain the intersection point of 2 equations. Thank you for watching.